This will be the elevator at Boscov's Beaver Valley Mall, Monaca, Pennsylvania. So unfortunately this thing got modded. It's Schindler now, but still worth a ride. It's got mad buttons. I love this store. It's a really nice store. I love the neon here. Really nice sign up there. Here it comes. This thing's extremely busy. So pardon the poor camera. Old school telephone hanger. This is the same mod as Park City. Door close button works though.
Going down.
It's like not a very good mod personally, but I mean it's not bad. It's not the worst. Could have gotten worse like Ohio Valley with the Kone. This thing got called. Montgomery. Going out? Yeah. Come on in, there's plenty of room here.
Okay. Come on.
Here, you coming up? You coming up? Come on in.
Yeah, that's two for.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Sorry.
You're fine. You're fine. Just do a little thing on elevators.
Are you running it? Is that what you're doing? Because it wouldn't open when I pushed it.
Yeah, I got it for you.
I see.
I'm just interested in elevators.
Uh-huh.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm gonna get a cab view now because I'm gonna have to get out of here. It's a very nice elevator. Here you go. Are you coming down? Are you sure? Yeah, here you go.